Hello guys, today I'll be doing a review on AirGPU and I'll be going through its strengths and weaknesses and watch to the end to know whether or not this cloud-based GPU is worth it for you. AirGPU is a service that provides access to powerful cloud-based GPUs, especially renting you a virtual PC in the cloud. Unlike traditional gaming services that offer a library of games, AirGPU gives you a full Windows, Linux, or Android virtual machine with high-end GPU. This allows users to install any software, including their own games, from platforms like Steam or Epic Games, enabling more flexibility for gaming, video editing, or 3D rendering. It operates on a metered hourly basis with various GPU tiers. Despite its flexibility, Air GPU has some weaknesses. Users report that the pricing can become quite expensive for power users or those requiring continuous GPU access, especially compared to fixed monthly subscriptions from competitors. There can also be additional costs for required SSD cloud storage and a Windows license. Some specific multiplayer games with anti-cheat software like Valorant or Fortnite might not run or have known issues due to their incompatibility with virtual machines. Connectivity issues or stuttering can also occur depending on the user's internet connection or decoder settings. A GPU is ideal for users who already own a library of PC games and want to play them at high settings on any device, including lower spec machines, without investing in powerful local hardware. It's also well suited for creative professionals, developers, or researchers who need on demand access to high-end GPUs for demanding tasks like rendering, video editing, or scientific simulations, valuing full control over their virtual machine and a pay per use model. I hope this video helps and thank you for watching.